Right, good morning everyone. Now I've got a kit here. I have two identical kits if they're of interest to anybody. You do get a round coaster and a square coaster. I'm going to go through, you get the little bit, I think it's a yard of the fancy gathered lace. I've given you some ribbon to make a flower with as well. This is the blue chiffon, the navy blue. You also get the trimming for the side, so you can quite easily make a wall hanging. So you can hang that one from that one, decorate them both, put a picture on this one and your flowers on that one, or whichever way around you want to do it, or mix the two together. But it's the top quality one, that. Look, it's absolutely gorgeous. And looks fine on. You can put it on the edging or whatever you want to do with it. Some gross grain ribbon to make another flower. Now these are kind of turquoisey blues. It's actually turquoise and blues, so that's what I'm going to call it, my turquoise and blue kit. But that's top quality, absolutely gorgeous ribbon, and they make beautiful flowers. Lots of videos on those as well. Now in this little bag, I'm just going to share with you all the bits and bobs. So you're going to get two of those that you can do as flower centres, paint them, add bling to them and make a flower centre. And I have put you some bling in. Really beautiful dainty chain, but it's gorgeous and it's diamanty. So you've got those. I put you a blue tassel in. Now that's blue and turquoise. That's the only thing that'll differ. The other ones are all turquoise, I think. Excuse me. You get a flat back pearl. You get the bluebell, not bluebells, the it's gone out my head. I knew what it was before I started the video. Oh, it's gone out my head. Right, never mind. Let me just put them to one side, it'll come back to me. The blue rose, white, it's acrylic heart. You're getting 6 of these gorgeous blue roses. Snowdrop. I knew it would come back to me. That's the other thing that'll differ. One's got a different, it's a blue stick pin, so that they're the, I mean, it's quite like a steel rod, that one. With a turquoise top, where the other one's blue. So I'm just going to leave that out. You get a spoon, miniature spoon, a beautiful, beautiful royal blue pendant. You both get one of those to hang from somewhere, which I've made. You both get these, which are a little row of tassel, diamanty tassel, but they hang well from your coasters. Now just move that to one side. We've got I put one of these in each. Tiny, tiny cameo. Diamanty earring, which you need to chop. But then you get that for your flower centres. I think it's 3, yes. 3 beautiful glass hearts. You're getting 3 of those wings. And 3 of those wings. And then 6 of those pitted hearts, metal ones. Oops, the daisy. Let me just see what else we've got in here. There's the other one. And then I've put one of those in. Even though it's gold, you could paint it white, but they look stunning. Now, these came on something, and I cut them off. That's why there's a mark on the back. So don't nobody slating me for doing, oh, she's selling something, you know. It's in the kit to help you create. And it did come on like a headband, and I cut it off. You're getting one of those. like a key ring, so they'll make another. So there's enough to do 3 projects here. Beautiful bling. You're getting 6 of these, which are the glass squares. Where's that gone? A selection of, oh, there's a coiled bead there. Now, I'm not sure both will get that, but there's a selection of beads that you'll get. And metal beads. I've chosen some really nice ones for you. It's up to you what you do with them. You've got a little cameo like that with the butterfly on. And then you've got one of these, like a little cabochon. You get a bag of mixed beads, and these are in like blues and greys. All mixed. Glass, crystal, metal. Really nice. And then you're getting a selection of these flatbacks. Now let me, and then you're getting let me get another bag, put the flower bits in. Actually I just put the other, oh it's alright, it's fine. So I'll just get another bag. So there's your multicoloured flowers and a little blue rose. I put 6 of those in, they're like 6 stems. Let's fold that, put that in. That one. Snowdrop. And 3 of those, and they come under the wedding flower in the shop. I'm going to put that stick pin in there, but we'll find something to put it in. So that's your trimmings. Like I say, I've done that one. You're getting that one because it's fancy and it's blues. Like I said, your gathered lace, your navy blue ribbon, and don't forget they make stunning flowers. Don't look at ribbon as just ribbon. You can make a bow, you can make a flower, you can make a mixed one. So I've done that lot. You're getting the navy blue crushed velvet, and it's only a broad band of it, but it's enough. I can get 3 flowers out of it, so if I can do it, you can. Put some turquoise one of that in. A large doily, because you are doing a circle, and a smaller doily, and then you do it the applique, and that's the kit. And there's 2 available. You'll find them on the shop. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.